Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones via Bluetooth. So, first things first, you want to grab your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone or Android. In this case we have an iPhone. Power it on, go into our Bluetooth settings. And on the Sennheiser headphones, there's one button you want to press and hold it until all these lights start flashing, going up and down. Keep holding, boom. The moment the lights start doing that, the headphones are in pairing mode. As you can see right here, they appeared in my Bluetooth settings. We'll click on that. And that is how you successfully connect your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones via Bluetooth. And if you like, you could install the app. If you install the app, you're able to do factory resets and just control the headphones. It's pretty cool. In this case, I'm just going to ignore it.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.